guys, I just, I just want to make sure it was right. Last time, you know what happened. Anyway, since I came back alive, I need to make a new house. So off we go to make my new house. I swear these stupid hoverboards. I knew they were a bad idea in the first place. Come on, perfect landing. Good enough for me. Now I just need to go up. Uh-oh. And I'm going too far. Come on. Oh damn it, Lamar from GTA. Oh. I never knew that this exit was here. Oh. I mean this entrance, but apparently not. Apparently it's fake. Fake news, everybody, just like Donald Trump's death. I'm gonna drive in first person. Oh. Mario, he froze. Oh, I'll fix her later. She still works like a beaut. Right, you can go now. Time to make myself a new home. Wrong level. Much better. Alright. First of all, on PS4, that's now PS5. Perfect. I want a big TV right there. Ooh. Better put a little warning outside my door. Let's put a little radio in for some nice vibes. With a baby on top. Much better. Let's add a vending machine here. I practically own this building anyway. No one else lives here. Have my wheelbarrow over here for my gardening of bottles. Use this. Never mind, I should just let pollution be. Let's add a wholesome little couch with my friend here, Billy Bob, right there. Just like that. My friend, I'll call him Lester, because why not? They look perfect for each other. Almost like they died together in an apocalypse or something. They look like the perfect match. Match made in heaven. I have my car engine here, one of my many cars. You know what, I'll just have my car parked over here, just like that. Perfect. Look at that. Just need to spiff her up a bit. Oh, my reality has frozen. Therefore, I will play Clash Royale until it doesn't. Oh, no Clash Royale. Perfect. I'll add my little souvenir from when I was stuck in that Half-Life universe. Too big. Okay. This. That's not too big. I'll have a nuke in here just in case I need to end the world again. Or end Big City again. Okay. No, too small. Too big. Too big. Too big. Perfect. Okay. There we go. I should hold it. Okay. Back to house building. You know what? I'll have my little office down here. What? Oh, there. I'm sorry, I've gone a bit blind within my days. What is this? What is this? Sure, I'll have something from Trevor Phillips. Baby, but he killed so many hillbillies. I'll have a... Actually, no. Rude. You know what? Let's have a BMX in here. I can practice. Oh. Hey! I have my bike. I have my bike in there. Oh, my reality's frozen. But back to Clash Royale. Totally not Adventure Capitalist. Most favorite game of all time. Oh. What? Never mind, I don't like bikes. My bath here. My old bike from when I was only a billion years old. I have my cupboard here. My furniture shelf. I have original Bob Bibley's grave. I was about to say I'll have one for whatever his name is. But no, thank you. What's it? Jeremy. No thanks. No, that's good enough. Bit too dark there. Perfect. Okay. I have a TV to watch while I'm in my bath. I don't need to plug it in because, you know, like God and stuff. I can just turn it on. I have my little play figurine in there. I have this so Bubbly can come and help me have a bath. I do need some help sometimes. I have to be honest. I'll add a little heater. No, that doesn't make sense. No one will expect that. I'll add... my PC should be here. Yes. Where do these wires go? Here, I'll make it a little bit more sensical. There. This will be my audio station. The Roblox servers, because I own Roblox. This can be my secondary PC. Two chairs, one for that stuff, one for that stuff. Will my fucking rope work now? Nope. I have my favourite Raven home in there. With a little saw blade right there. Cannot forget my little hula doll. My very important books. Is that there? I stole that from some dumb scientist. From that Half-Life universe. Also stole that. Also stole this. Also stole this. And this. Never mind. I returned it. I stole that. Stole that. I have my bin here. That's for my chip bags stuff. Ooh! What a perfect idea. A little kerosene in my house. And a Strider gun protecting it. You know, just in case. You know how it be these days. These days. I had a little waiting bench for anyone who wants to play. My kerosene. I had a little clock. I have my washing machine here. Ooh. I forgot my wardrobe. For my clothes in it. My toilet. Washing machine for my clothes. Oil of my favorite drink. Oh, I forgot about my actual house. I better start adding stuff in here. Contrast. Hotels and their beds. Always bring your own mattresses. Look at this. This looks hard as rock. Here's my pillows.